By February, we had finally got a real stove, a gas stove and oven in our kitchen. We'd been cooking on a camp stove for some 9 months. And so here you see the something of our makeshift kitchen. Since I demoed the peninsula that came off the wall, one of the things that we were going to do is we bought these little kitchen island carts off the internet, and you have to assemble them. Anytime you have to assemble furniture, you're relying upon precision cutting of the assembled parts by the manufacturer. And if things are out of alignment, then you've got a real serious problem. So here, these two pictures show these carts, how things are misaligned and you can't assemble it properly. So I had spent some 10 hours to assemble one cart by making a lot of modifications, and 12 hours to assemble another. I remember at one point my wife was going to work. I said, I'm going to push these things out in the alley and set them on fire. I was so mad. Anyway, I finally got them together, and we're going to set those up a little later. We also set up a raised garden outside our backyard, which we've really enjoyed a lot. When you raise a garden like this, it helps keep the weeds down from getting in the garden square, and you can mend the soil and have a lot more control over things.